Hi friends, welcome to 2 Minutes Personal Finance Show by Santosh Bhandarkar. In 2007, Warren Buffett made a legendary bet with hedge fund manager Protégé Partners. A bet of $1 million. A bet that his choice of low-cost index fund would beat the net returns of any hedge fund or actively managed fund over a period of 10 years. Guess what? Warren Buffett's index fund had a compounded 7.1% annual returns compared to Protége's 2.2% annual returns. Hence, our index fund have outperformed all the active funds over long term. So what is an index fund? An index fund invests in stock that mimic a stock market index like NSE Nifty or BSE Sensex. Fund manager invests in same securities as underlying index in the same proportion and doesn't change the portfolio composition. Example, NSE Nifty Index. This index have 50 stocks in its portfolio in similar proportion. So how are index fund better for you? How are index fund better than most asset classes? Times have proved that index fund have less risk. Number 2, better returns. Number 3, low on cost. And number 4, better diversification. Less risk because index funds have passive approach, eliminating the human risk or error that comes from trying to pick stock individually. Tony Robbins in his book Unshakable correctly quoted the same. Number 2, higher returns. Higher returns because a study conducted by S&P suggests that an index fund will outperform most actively managed funds post 10 years data. In India, most of the index funds have delivered 24% annual return over 15 to 17 year period. Number 3, less expense ratio. Less expense ratio because index fund in India charge lesser than 0.5%, making them 5 times cheaper than actively managed fund. This makes huge difference in returns in longer run. Number 4, better diversification because index funds aren't tied to the success of one single entity or sector. As Warren Buffett says, the trick is not to pick the right company. The trick is to essentially buy all the big index companies and to do it consistently. So friends, if you don't know too much about markets, the best way to invest your money right now is to put it in cheap index funds. Also, dumping your money in index fund stocks may look lazy investing, but it is definitely one of the smartest way of investing. Stay tuned for more on personal finance. This is Santosh Bhandarkar signing off. Thank you.